Namaskar, मैं Dr. Anshika Lekhi, gynecologist and IVF specialist. Today we'll be talking about sexually transmitted infections, also known as the STIs or the sexually transmitted diseases. These are infections that spread by sexual activity, which can be vaginal, anal or oral sex. They can spread through any of these intercourse. STIs may or may not present initially with symptoms, so they come with a very higher risk of getting transmitted from one partner to other. Even the mothers having STI can transmit the infection to the infant during childbirth. STIs can be caused by various organisms that can be bacterial, viral or parasitic. The most common bacterial STIs are chlamydia, gonorrhea and syphilis, whereas the most common viral STIs are genital herpes, HIV, AIDS and genital warts. The most common parasitic STI is trichomoniasis. The symptoms that are seen in the STIs in case of a female are vaginal discharge with pain, chronic pelvic pain, genital warts or genital ulcers. In case of a male, these can be penile discharge, penile warts or penile ulcers. These are the common symptoms seen in STIs. Now, what are the ways we can actually prevent STIs? STIs can be prevented by using a barrier contraceptive every time you have intercourse. The other type of intercourse like oral intercourse or an anal intercourse should be avoided as much as possible. All the girls or females who are above the age of 14 and who are not currently sexually active or have maybe sexually active but have a single partner should be vaccinated for HPV. These are some ways with which we can prevent STIs. Now, how can we actually know if there is an STI or not? The various ways we can detect an STI is by a general gynae examination, by looking at the signs of that particular STI. It can be detected in specialized blood tests, or it can be detected by vaginal swabs which are sent for culture and testing. So these are some common ways by which an STI infection can be detected. Almost majority of the STIs are treatable by medical therapy, so you don't have to worry about it. The treatment might be little long and might require a persistence and some amount of palliative care, but it can be cured and most of them have a medical treatment. So if you have any query related to STI or any other thing, you can please drop in a message at The Fertile Life. We would be really happy to help you. Thank you.